beginning at the end of our mats. Walk your hands forward, forehead to the mat for child's pose. Inhale. Full exhale. Next, inhale to all fours, belly button towards the spine, ribs in and up. Finding stability, really pushing down into the top of the left foot. Release the right foot to the right corner of the mat. Inhale to kick up, tap the left corner, moving at your own pace. Release, opposite side. Find balance within the top of the right foot. Be very strong here. Release. Inhale, right arm comes all the way up. Exhale, thread it under the left. Flip your palm. Place the left hand above your head on the top of the mat. For a challenge, ground through the right foot. Engage the core. Inhale, left leg comes up. Release both hands to the top of the mat, sinking your heart down for puppy pose. Gently come out to table. Nice neutral spine. Inhale, left arm comes up. Exhale, thread it through. Find that stability within the top of the left foot now. And when you're ready, inhale that right leg up. Find a gaze, be strong throughout the whole body here. Transition arms to the top of the mat, chest melts down, puppy pose. Release, tuck the toes, send the hips up for down dog. Inhale, right leg up. Bend at the knee. Exhale, shoulders over wrists, knee to elbow. Again, go at your own pace. Release the right foot. Inhale, left leg up. Bend the knee, open the hip, shoulders are square. Exhale, knee to elbow. Release the left leg. Exhale to plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Step to the top of the mat, bend the knees. Inhale for chair. Exhale, hands to heart center, twist. Left elbow meets the left knee. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the right. Back to center. Straighten the knees, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plank, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Go ahead and drop the knees for child's pose. Gently come up. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. One more time, grabbing all that space. Inhale, all the way up. Exhale, hands to prayer. Namaste.